Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make my infamous cottage cheese ball that I have been having almost on the daily now. This is the first ingredient that I like to use. This is a mini cucumber and I chop it up, throw it in the bowl. This cottage cheese bowl, guys, has tons of protein, tons of crunch, tons of flavor. Wait till you see what I put inside. I think if you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen the recipe, but a lot of you wanted to see the tutorial. So here we go. So mini cucumbers, I buy them at BJ's, Costco, or a farmer's market. They're very inexpensive by us. I could get a package. I think there's about 8 or 10 of them in there for only $3 and I don't remember how many cents, but they make a great addition to it. I like the mini cucumbers better than the regular big giant ones. I just feel that they're not as sour and the seeds are so minimal. Next ingredient is red bell pepper. I only use about a little more than maybe half of the pepper. Depends on the size. Again, I choose red, but you can use any color. I get the packages of red, yellow, and green peppers all in one, again, from Costco, BJ's, or the farmer's market. I've seen them at Aldi as well. So just anything for color, you know, red, green, all these different colors have such high vitamins and such nutrition that you can't go wrong. The next ingredient, this, guys, I down a bottle of this probably in 3 days. It's the Trader Joe's corn and chili salsa. When I tell you the flavor, out of the ballpark. Sweet, spicy, it's just so good. And I know we don't digest corn, right? But the flavor, that's what I'm looking for in the bowl is flavor. So I use this little rubber spatula. I usually take about 2 heaping spoons of this and just add it. It does have a little bit of liquid to it, which is great. It's that sweet flavor. I just cannot make the cottage cheese bowl without it. And here's the cottage cheese, Friendship 1%. I love this stuff. It has 16 grams of protein in just a half a cup and 90 calories. So I'm going to take a plastic spoon. I'm not weighing it on a scale because I'm living my life, right? Just not focusing and obsessing on everything. And I'm going to scoop out some of this cottage cheese. And when I look at it, to me, it looks like somewhere between 1/4 cup and half a cup, give or take. So when I splosh this on top, I love to mix it up. I love the flavors being blended together because it's just such good texture and such great flavor. I'm not done though. I'm going to add some more protein. This is the Trader Joe's. This is so good. The sweet apple chicken sausage. They're already cooked, but I do like to put them in the microwave for about 40 seconds just to heat it up, and I do put it in a paper towel. Once it comes out of the microwave, it's nice and warm, and I cut it up into little discs and I add it to the bowl. Between the cottage cheese, the vegetables, the sweet and spicy corn chili salsa, and then this warm maple chicken sausage, you won't be disappointed. But I'm still not done. After I put this in the bowl, I reach over and I want some more crunch. So here's what I'm adding. This is a product that I also get from Trader Joe's. It's called the Rosemary Croissant Croutons. And I'm sorry that I'm zooming in and out like this. But these croutons are very flaky. They're not very dense. They're more flaky, if that makes sense. But the rosemary flavor of them is exactly what's needed for this cottage cheese bowl. Because like I said, we've got maple with the sausage and all of the other flavors. This just, I can't explain it, but it tops it off. Once it's in the bowl, again, I take my little rubber spatula here from Walmart. I spread it all around, get all of the flavors, all of the crunch, all of the creamy, everything all together. And now I'm going to do a nice taste test for you. You know I'm already going to love it because I eat this almost every day. Packed with protein, packed with fiber. It's just such a good breakfast. Or lunch for that matter, or even dinner. Let's get to the taste test. Here it is in this beautiful $1 and change bowl from Walmart. It's fabulous. And in goes the food. And OMG, guys, it's amazing. Don't mind my appearance. I just got up and I'm filming. But holy cow, this is so good. So thanks for sticking around. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it. See you soon.